guys. So today is going to be a little bit different while I'm still getting in some of the Porsche parts for the fuel system. I've got just about everything in. I've got one more adapter that I need to find to get the fuel filter to an AN fitting. So I've still got a little more research to find that one last piece, and then I'll be installing that and of course posting that. But today I'm going to be installing a bed cover for my truck. So this is the Xtang Trifecta 2.0, I think. Something like that. Maybe not. Can't remember exactly. Anyway, so I'm going to be installing this, and I'm going to be putting a bed mat on the bottom for throwing stuff in and not scratching it up. And this is going on a 2019 Chevy Silverado. This is a 5.5 foot bed. So let's do it. So here's the finished product. Pretty nice tight fit. Not going anywhere. It snugs a little close to the back, a little closer than I really wanted. But good enough. See the mat I got in there. Nice thing about this is it's a quick release. So we just undo those. Flips forward easily. You can see it's got a pretty good heavy duty weather stripping here. Keeps rain and moisture out and such. Flip it again, and we can see that we've got these clips that will clip up like that, and it's pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. Got these vice clamps. I don't know if you can see. I'll see if I can zoom in. Can't really see them. Got these screwing vice clamps that hold this section down, and it holds it down well. You can feel it's not going anywhere. So overall, pretty nice product. And then I got pretty basic bed mat. It's pretty thick, nice. Probably a good 1/4 inch thick, real heavy duty rubber. I'll say I have to recommend both of them, very nice. And that'll probably conclude everything to do with this. Actually, we'll show you a couple more things. We got these aftermarket Raptor running boards that we put on, or I put on. Those are pretty nice, designed to look like the newer model that come from the factory. And then I've got these matte finish rain visors that go in track. I prefer the in track far more than the external mounting ones. Just makes it look a lot cleaner. And I got the matching matte finish bug shield. This was kind of a pain to install, but looks real nice once it's on. So now the refresh rate makes it look like my light is flickering. It's really not, I promise. So that'll do it for the Silverado. Next up is going to be finishing the fuel lines on this bad boy. Bad girl, I don't know. Gender binary. But yeah, so I got one of the missing pieces, ended up being the wrong size. So I've got another one ordered, should be here today. And then I'll finish up the fuel lines on the back of this thing. Get back to the front of the engine, see if we can get this thing started. So as always, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.